Greetings, Benjamin J. the Victrola Guy, Canophonic Records with another in the series. Well, as you can hear, it is raining. So this building has a metal roof on it, and sometimes it sounds like golf balls hitting it. No kidding. Anyway, I just did an experiment. Took a 78 RPM recording and transferred it to a 33 RPM disc, just to give me some comparison. Actually, you cannot tell this isn't the original record. Even at 33, this is, I don't know, 5 minutes, something like that, on a 7-inch black Lexan disc.
It was the most convenient door. I found $1 million baby in a 5 and 10 cent store. The rain continued for an hour. I hung around for 3 or 4. Around $1 million baby in a 5 and 10 cent store. She was selling china, and when she made those eyes so nice, I kept buying china until the crowd got wise. Incidentally, if you should run into a shower, just step inside my cottage door and meet the $1 million baby from the 5 and 10 cent store. It was a lucky April hour. It was the most convenient door. I found $1 million baby in a 5 and 10 cent store. The rain continued for an hour. I hung around for 3 or 4. Around $1 million baby in a 5 and 10 cent store. She was selling china, and when she made those eyes so nice, I kept buying china until the crowd got wise. Incidentally, if you should run into a shower, just step inside my cottage door and meet the $1 million baby from the 5 and 10 cent store.
minutes into the week with almost twice the playing time of the average record. At your news dealers next Thursday.
All right, this actually sounds better than the 78, I think. Anyway, 7-inch disc. Took the audio file from the 78, transferred it to a 7-inch black Lexan disc at 33 RPM. Really decent copy. Anyway, I just wanted to document it. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, THEVICTROLAGUY@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.